Hello, my name is Mrs. English. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will practice 200 sentences together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. You can pause the video anytime you need. Take your time and practice as many times as you want. Are you ready? Let's begin. I feel anxious today. She feels worried sometimes. Anxiety is a feeling. He feels nervous now. Do you feel anxious? We all feel worried. Anxiety is very common. I am feeling stressed. She is anxious right now. My heart beats fast. I cannot sleep well. She worries about work. He thinks too much. Do you worry often? I feel scared sometimes. Anxiety makes me tired. She cannot relax today. He feels tense now. My hands are shaking. I breathe very fast. She has many worries. He cannot stop thinking. Do you feel nervous? I am worried today. She feels anxious at night. He worries about money. I feel stressed at work. My stomach feels bad. She cannot eat much. He feels afraid sometimes. Do you get anxious? I worry about my family. She thinks about problems. He cannot concentrate well. I feel overwhelmed today. She worries about everything. He gets nervous easily. My mind is racing. I need to relax. She wants to feel calm. He tries to breathe slowly. Do you feel better now? I talk to my friend. She listens to music. He goes for walks. Exercise helps me relax. I drink some water. She takes deep breaths. He counts to 10. Do you need help? I am learning to manage anxiety. She practices relaxation every day now. He reads books about feeling calm. Anxiety affects many people in life. I try to stay positive today. She writes in her journal often. He talks to a doctor sometimes. Do you practice breathing exercises daily? I feel anxious before big meetings. She gets nervous before job interviews. He worries when he travels alone. My anxiety started last year ago. I notice my body feeling tense. She recognizes her anxious thoughts now. He understands his feelings better today. Do you know what triggers anxiety? I feel anxious in crowded places. She gets worried about her health. He feels nervous around new people. My chest feels tight when anxious. I have trouble making simple decisions. She checks things many times daily. He avoids situations that cause stress. Do you feel anxious at night? I wake up feeling worried often. She cannot stop her racing thoughts. He feels restless all the time. My anxiety makes daily life difficult. I want to feel peaceful again. She needs support from her family. He is trying new coping strategies. Do you meditate to reduce stress? I practice mindfulness every morning now. She does yoga 3 times weekly. He listens to calming sounds daily. My friend helps me feel better. I am not alone with anxiety. She finds comfort in talking openly. He feels stronger when sharing feelings. Do you have someone to trust? I call my mother when anxious. She meets friends for coffee regularly. He joins a support group online. My anxiety is getting better slowly. I celebrate small victories every day. She feels proud of her progress. He doesn't give up on himself. Do you track your anxious feelings? I write down what worries me. She identifies patterns in her anxiety now. He notices when stress levels are high. My doctor suggested some helpful lifestyle changes recently. I am eating healthier foods this month. She is sleeping better than last week. He reduces caffeine to feel less anxious. Do you drink too much coffee daily? I limit my coffee to 1 cup. She avoids watching news before bedtime every night. He turns off his phone 1 hour early. My sleep schedule is more regular now. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. She wakes up at 7 every morning. He gets 8 hours of sleep nightly. Do you have a good sleep routine? I practice gratitude to feel more positive. She lists 3 good things each evening. He focuses on what he can control. My negative thoughts are not always true. I challenge my worried thoughts with facts. She asks herself if worries are realistic. He replaces negative thoughts with positive ones. Do you question your anxious thoughts carefully? I am learning to let go slowly. She accepts that some worry is normal. He doesn't fight every anxious feeling anymore. My therapist teaches me useful coping skills. I practice what I learn in therapy. She feels better after each therapy session. He is making progress with professional help. Do you consider talking to a therapist? I was very anxious last year always. She felt overwhelmed with work and stress. He couldn't manage his anxiety alone then. My life is different and better now. I learned many techniques to feel calm. She discovered what works best for her. He found his own path to wellness. Do you believe you can feel better? I know recovery takes time and effort. She is patient with herself every day. He celebrates progress no matter how small. My anxiety doesn't control my life anymore. I make decisions despite feeling nervous sometimes. She faces her fears one step forward. He does things that make him anxious. Do you push yourself gently but firmly? I went to a party last week. She spoke in front of people yesterday. He traveled to a new place alone. My confidence is growing stronger each day. I will continue working on my anxiety. She will practice her coping skills tomorrow. He will not let fear stop him. Do you have goals for managing stress? I am going to exercise more often. She is going to join a yoga class. He is going to eat better starting today. My future looks brighter than my past. I will help others who feel anxious. She will share her story with friends. He will be an example of hope. Do you want to inspire people too? I feel grateful for my support system. She appreciates her family and close friends. He thanks people who helped him daily. My journey with anxiety taught me lessons. I am stronger than I thought before. She is proud of how far along. He knows he can handle difficult times. Do you recognize your own inner strength? I remind myself that feelings always pass. She knows anxiety is temporary, not permanent. He waits for the anxious moment to end. My body knows how to calm down naturally. I trust the process of healing completely. She believes in her ability to cope. He has hope for a peaceful future. Do you feel hopeful about getting better? I encourage you to seek help today. She suggests trying different relaxation methods until success. He recommends talking to someone you really trust. My advice is to be kind always. I want you to know help exists. She hopes you feel less alone now. He wishes you peace and good health. Do you feel ready to take action? I believe you can manage your anxiety. She knows you are brave and strong. He thinks you will find your way. My final message is never give up. I send you courage for your journey. She supports you from her heart completely. He stands with you in this fight. Do you feel more hopeful right now? I am proud of you for listening. She celebrates your decision to learn today. He honors your courage to face anxiety. You are not alone in this experience. You can live well with proper support. You will feel better with time and practice. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.